How does the probate process work in Nevada? Hello, my name is Sarah Ocampo, and I own a law firm called Ocampo Wiseman Law in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am often asked this question, so I thought I would at least give you a brief response to this. So in Nevada, probate depends, there's different levels of probate depending on the value of the estate. So it's assets minus debts equals the value of the estate of the decedent. So once you figure out roughly how much we're talking about in terms of the value, then you can figure out what level of probate you're at. The higher the value of the estate, the longer the process will take, the more in attorney's fees it will cost. So you can go from there, right? I'll give you some brief information on that. So if you have an estate that is valued under $25,000 with no real property, you don't need to go to probate, okay? Most of the time you do not need to go to probate. You can do it without a lawyer, and you can find the information online in terms of what you need to do. If you have an estate that's valued under $100,000, then you're going to probate. Between $25,000 and $100,000, you're going to probate. It's a quick probate. It's not going to take as long as other types of probates, but it still will take at least one court appearance, which is going to be at least a 2-month process. Possibly a little shorter, but it's going to take a month or two to get through. If your estate is valued between $100,000 and $300,000, you're in what's called a summary administration probate. So that means you're probably looking at least 6 months, if not more, to get through the process. And of course, you're going to definitely need an attorney. You'll probably need an attorney for the set-aside as well, but the attorney will be able to handle all the statutory requirements, file all the pleadings that are required, and all of that good stuff. And then finally, if you have an estate valued over $300,000, then you're in what's called general administration, and it's going to probably take longer, and it's going to cost more to get through. If you want to talk about avoiding probate altogether so your family doesn't have to go through it, or if you have a probate that you need to deal with right now, please feel free to give my office a call. We offer complimentary 15-minute phone consults. You can book directly on my website, or you can call to schedule.